Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly indispensable tool for anyone navigating the world of audio. The Smithok 3.5mm XLR adapter cable. This isn't just any cable. It's a bridge, connecting the often disparate worlds of consumer and professional audio equipment. What we have here is a 3.5mm female TRS mini jack on one end, leading to a robust 3-pin XLR male connector on the other. This specific configuration is incredibly useful. Think about it. A user might have a camcorder, a portable recorder, or even a smartphone that outputs audio through a standard 3.5mm headphone jack. But their mixer, their professional audio interface, or their high-end field recorder only accepts XLR inputs. That's where this Smithok adapter steps in, seamlessly converting that 1/8-inch stereo signal into a balanced XLR connection. The fact that it's a two-pack is a significant bonus. It means a user isn't just getting one, but two of these handy converters, offering excellent value and ensuring they always have a spare or can connect multiple devices simultaneously. This is particularly useful for content creators, videographers, or musicians who often find themselves needing to adapt various audio sources on the fly. At just 1 foot, or 30 centimeters, in length, these cables are designed for convenience and efficiency. They're perfect for close-range connections, minimizing cable clutter around a setup. Whether someone is mounting a small recorder directly onto a camera rig and needs to feed its output into an external mixer, or connecting a laptop to a soundboard for playback, this short length is ideal. It keeps the workspace tidy and reduces the chances of signal degradation that can sometimes occur with excessively long cables. The stereo audio capability is another crucial aspect. Unlike some simpler adapters that might convert stereo to mono, this Smithok adapter maintains the left and right channels, ensuring the audio retains its full spatial information when it reaches professional gear. This is vital for music playback, ambient recordings, or any situation where stereo imaging is important. For anyone working with camcorders, various types of recorders, or audio mixers, this adapter becomes an essential part of their toolkit. It eliminates the frustration of incompatible connectors and opens up a world of possibilities for integrating different audio devices. The Smithok brand delivers a practical solution that helps users achieve cleaner, more professional audio setups without having to invest in entirely new equipment. It's a small but mighty component that truly makes a difference in the workflow of many audio professionals and enthusiasts alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.